Hello, good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine. What would you like to drink?
I would like a cup of coffee.
Hot coffee or iced coffee?
Iced coffee, please.
Do you want sugar?
Yes, a little sugar, please.
Do you want milk?
Yes, a little milk, please.
Would you like something to eat?
Yes, a croissant, please.
Eat here or take away?
I'll eat here.
Here is your order. Enjoy.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm looking for the post office.
It's near the supermarket.
How far is it?
About 5 minutes on foot.
Can you show me on the map?
Yes, of course. Here it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Should I turn left or right?
Turn left at the corner.
Then go straight?
Yes, until you see the supermarket.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Have a good day.
Hello, how much is this shirt?
It's $10.
Can I try it on?
Yes, the fitting room is there.
Thank you.
Do you like it?
Yes, it fits well.
Would you like another color?
Yes, do you have blue?
Yes, here it is.
I'll take both, please.
Okay, that will be $20.
Here's the money.
Thank you. Enjoy your shirts.
Hello, Monica. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm good. Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I finished it yesterday.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
I like English.
Who is your English teacher?
Mr. John, he is very nice.
I like my teacher too.
Do you study together after class?
Yes, sometimes. That's good. It helps me learn more.
Hi, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books. What about you?
I like listening to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
I like rock music.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
That's cool. I want to learn guitar too.
I can teach you.
Really? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you also like sports?
Yes, I like football.
I like football too.